Let's meet Kennedy, a sophomore pre-vet major and guard on the women's basketball team. Speaking of sports, let's talk competition here. LCU competes at the NCAA Division II level in 17 sports, at the Division I level in esports, and nationally in cheer. With premier facilities, extraordinary coaches, and high-achieving student athletes, LCU is no stranger to competing for and winning national championships. Kennedy, the court is yours.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, y'all. I always knew I wanted to play basketball in college and compete for championships, especially at a place that valued glorifying the Lord. Never in a million years did I think I would find the perfect fit, but that's exactly what I found at Lubbock Christian University. Faith and standards are a huge part of LCU athletics. We take pride in playing at a high level, being the best in our daily lives, and in the classroom. Not only have the Lady Chaps proven to dominate on the court, winning 3 national championships over the past 10 years, but we consistently finish in the top 10 in the nation academically. Aside from success on the court and in the classroom, our coaching staff has shepherded me in my spiritual life. We are not just athletes at LCU. We are cared for as individuals and children of God. The people who will help mold and shape me here will be in my corner for the rest of my life. It's about so much more than athletics. We are truly family. God has brought together student athletes, coaches, faculty, and staff who will walk together to flourish and to find success in community. Being part of LCU athletics as a member of the Ladies Shot basketball team has not only helped me grow personally, but together we have grown in humility, selflessness, and joy, all while being able to play the game that we love. Later in life, when I think back on my time here at LCU, I will be reminded of these truly significant life lessons. I will always be an LCU Shap, an honor that I will cherish forever. Back to you, Alex.
Kennedy, it's evident why LCU student athletes are so successful athletically and academically. LCU's acceptance rate for graduates getting into vet schools is 72%. That's 7 times the national average. It's incredible. We'll be cheering for you on the court and in your application to vet schools. Go Chaps.